Hi there, we're taking a look at your Chapter 6 submission, and specifically you have one little trouble that's plaguing you in lots of different places, and that is that Excel is not recognizing your column names. For us, this column called food order is used repeatedly, and it's not recognizing it, so it's wondering what's the name, it doesn't recognize it. So let's go ahead and add the names for all of these. I'm going to select, what is that, A11, all the way down through the entire table of data. I forget how far this one goes. They always like nice big data sets. I'm going to take the whole kit and caboodle down to row 212. Then from the Formulas tab, I'm going to click Create from Selection. And our names only appear at the top row. They do not appear anywhere else. So I'm going to uncheck any of the others, only have a check mark for top row. That's where the names appear. All right, now I'll click OK. And look at all the answers populate. Do you see that? That's pretty cool. So how do I know it worked, or how do I know what it looks like? If from the Formulas tab, if I click on Name Manager, then I can see all those names here now have populated. Number, date, they're in numeric or alphabetical order. So food, and then there's food order. So I'm not sure why they didn't take previously. Sometimes students name the table, because we did that in Chapter 5, and this is a different thing. It wants you to apply the names that are at the top of the column. The other thing that sometimes throws students off is when our table sits in A1. Excel automatically recognizes the names. Sometimes that happens, but that didn't happen here. We needed to use the Create from Selection command. The chapter wanted us specifically to learn and use that command. Okay, then just one other quick little fix I want to show you here. I think you probably excluded the, you were supposed to multiply this by food order, and I think you probably excluded it because it wasn't working. So just don't forget to add that back in. So what do I want? I want asterisk, and then I'm going to click on food order to have that name populate on in. And then if I press enter, oh, maybe not. Oh, so why doesn't it like it now? How about if I use just food order the name? Let's try that. Yeah, there, got the name in. Okay, and I'm going to press enter. Doesn't like that either. Oh, I have an extra. Sorry, right, this little extra bracket at the end does not need to be present. There it goes. All right, so these are the answers you should have. I'm not sure why for me. I must have done something wrong. But anyway, so when you fix that, you're just simply adding an asterisk and then the name food order. It should now recognize that name. Everything else looks great.